On time,
So
though,
that's
you
my.
feeling better, man?
I was listening to Daylight. Shouldn't he be raising the fact that because when the state get involved like that, it's my understanding that the mother is initially surrogating her rights to the state. So what shouldn't he be asking the question? What rights does she have to surrogate like that?
Subrogate, yeah. The same thing I asked. I asked the question to an attorney in that smaller case years ago, and she made the statement. The mother applied for benefits, and the state gave the mother subrogated her rights. Some spill. And my question was just that: does the mother applying for benefits give her a subrogatable right? And then the hearing officer said, "Don't answer that question." And then
Right.
he and I got don't me and Coffee got into a real good discussion. Now you're the attorney, jackass. But that's not what we do in here. But it was that set me off to the road that took us to where I am now. But yeah, the mother applying for benefits may, even if it gave the state a subrogatable right,
Right.
it does not remove your right to fundamental due process. So what is their issue? What's the state's issue with you? That is the state's issue that the child needs support, and support probably isn't clearly defined in any state constitution to mean solely money, or is the issue that this? I want to make sure I calibrate that the mother may need a better job, needs to get her stuff together. What's the issue? But either way, that would be something that, if it were me, I would want to argue has been meritoriously determined. And that's where I think a lot of guys could go a lot farther with this stuff if you focus on what is the issue or what set of issues. But Daly is on definitely on point with his assessment. I just think it's just a matter. We need to probably ask fewer questions and make more statements.
Correct. Correct. Yeah, and like I said, I was going this on my own and with the package boys before, which is why I wasn't clear on how to identify the issues that need to be addressed. Because they were just like, oh yeah, we're here because we're providing a service. And and now I'm like, well, who asked you, nigga? Sorry. Like I'm like, I didn't ask for the service.
Wow.
So all these questions are now popping on my head going through this, our process is like, okay, wait, I need to ask better questions to understand the issue so I can make better statements, so.
I don't disagree. BA.
I was just gonna second some of the last couple of statements there because I think Daly's and my case have similarities in the same thing. The whole claim of, well, even though my child's mother is not asking the state for benefits, it's the whole thing of, well, something about rights, which I don't quite understand fully yet, is that she surrendered her rights to the state to come file against me now.